Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Sangeeta from Food Safety Works. Today we are going to learn about cross-contamination, its effect and prevention for ensuring food safety in your business. Though there are many causes of foodborne illnesses, one of the major causes, yet preventable one, is cross-contamination. It is the process by which bacteria or microorganisms are unintentionally transferred during handling and operations. It is the common source of food poisoning. It happens when harmful germs are spread onto food from other food surfaces, hands, equipments. Our motive is to prevent the cross-contamination affecting our food and the consumers. Cross-contamination can occur at virtually any stage in the flow of food processing. So, understanding how it can happen makes prevention easier. So, here are some of the most common causes of cross-contamination. Cross-contamination mainly happens through three modes. The first mode is person to food. One of the main causes of cross-contamination is through food handlers. For instance, food can become contaminated if the food handler handles food without washing their hands in between change of job. For example, food handler handling raw meat handles other food products without properly washing their hands. Second mode is equipment to food. Equipment, if not cleaned properly, or the same equipment if used for storing, cooking or handling food can lead to cross-contamination. For example, same cutting board or knife used for cutting off veg and non-veg product. Third mode is to food. Raw food, if stored with cooked food, can be a source of contamination. For instance, raw meat and vegetables stored side by side or dripping of juices from raw meat to other products. So, let's see how we can prevent the cross-contamination by following good practices. While storing the food, it is very important to properly segregate all food items. That is, store raw meats on the bottom shelf, semi-finished in the middle and ready to eat and cooked food on the topmost shelf. Remember, your veg and non-veg foods should be stored and kept separated. Color coding is an easy way to visually separate different equipment used in the process or work areas to prevent the contamination. Use correct color-coded chopping boards and knives. For example, red chopping board for raw meat and green chopping board for vegetables. Like this, we can use different color codes for different types of food products. Effective cleaning and sanitization helps to stop the spreading of harmful bacteria onto our food. The efficiency of cleaning must be monitored and verified on a regular basis. So, for more information on cleaning and sanitization in food premises, you can check out our detailed video on cleaning and sanitization and its importance. As we know, training plays an important role for maintaining food safety culture in food premises. That's why all food handlers involved in food handling to be trained regularly for preventing cross-contamination. It is extremely important that people working in the food processing area uphold the highest standard to ensure food safety, because food safety is everyone's business. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates. Please do like and share this with your friends. if you found this useful, and don't forget to visit our website www.foodsafetyworks.com to see how we can help you. Thank you.